Good morning student. Today's subject is English. In English your second chapter is the rats and the elephant. We read this chapter in my previous video last week. So we read in this chapter about the rats and the elephants. How rats help the elephant. Okay. So in this video we will do bookwork of this chapter. So let's start. Look at the board. First word meanings is forest. You know what's the means of forest? Forest means jungle. Jungle. Second is herd. 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 Herd means a group of same kind animals. A group of same kind animals. A group of same kind animals. Animals. Okay. Second is search. Third is search. Search means find. Search means find. In fourth, area. Area means region. Okay. In fifth, destroyed. Destroyed means spoiled. Destroyed means spoiled. Destroy means spoiled. Okay. In six, requested means asked for. Okay. In seventh is route. Route means way. ROUTE, route. Route means way. WAY, way. In eighth, pond. Pond means water body. Pond means water body. POND, pond. Pond means water body. WATER, water. BODY, body. Pond means water body. Okay. On ninth number is accepted. Means agreed. Accepted means agree. Agreed. On 10th is disturbing. Disturbing means harming. Disturbing means harming. On 11th is pleased. Pleased means highly. Pleased means highly. HIGHLY, highly. Satisfied. Highly. Pleased means highly satisfied. On 20. Thanked. Thanked means expressed. Thanked means expressed. Gratefulness. Okay, expressed. Gratefulness. Gratefulness. Okay. On 13 number is promised. Promised means gave word. Promised. Promised means gave word. Gave word. On 14th is always. Always means ever. Always. Always means ever. Always. Always means ever. Okay. Now 15 number is ready. Ready. R-E-D-Y. Ready. Ready means prepared. Ready means prepared. Ready means prepared. Ninth is accepted means agreed. Disturbing means harming. Pleased means highly satisfied. Thanked means expressed gratefulness. Promised means gave word. Always means ever. Ready means prepared. Okay. So on 16 number is to help. To help means to assist. To help means to assist. To assist. Okay. 17 number is if needed. If needed means if required. If needed means if required. Required. Eighteenth is loud, to high sound. Loud. L-O-U-D. Loud means high sound. H-I-G-H S-O-U-N-D. High sound. Okay. 19th is shouts. Shouts means cries. Shout means cries. 20th danger. Sorry, realized. Realized means understood. Understood. Okay. 21 is danger. Danger. Danger means possibility of bad happenings. Possibilities of bad happening. T of bad happenings. possibilities of bad happenings. To come along. To come along means to move with. To come along. To come along means move with. To come along means move with. To move with. To move with. Okay. To help means to assist. If needed, if required. Loud, high sound. Shout means cries. Realized means understood. Danger means possibility of bad happenings. To come along means to move with. Okay. In the direction of sound. Next is in the direction of sound. Towards sound. In the direction of sound means of sound towards sound means towards sound. Sound. Okay. Next 23 is caught in trap. Caught in traps. Caught in traps means captured within nets. Captured within nets. Nets. Next is hunters. Quickly started. Quickly started. Quickly started means began without delay. Began without delay. Delay. Okay. 25th is drop. Biting. Biting means cutting. Biting means cutting. CUTTING, cutting. Okay. Next is 26. Ropes. Ropes means strings. ROPES. Ropes means string. STRING, string. 27 is sharp teeth. Sharp teeth means pointed teeth. Sharp teeth. Means pointed teeth. Teeth. 28 is soon, in very less time. Soon means In very less time. Less time. In the direction of sound, towards sound. Caught in traps means captured within nets. Quickly started means began without delay. Biting means cutting. Ropes means string. Sharp teeth means pointed teeth. Soon means in very less time. Next is set free means became out of traps. Set free. Set free means became out of traps. Became out of traps. Out of traps. Okay. 30 is felt. Felt means realized. Felt means realized. Felt means realized. 31 is size. Size means dimension of body. Size means dimension of body. Dimension of body. Size means dimension of body. Sorry means dismal, sad. 32 is sorry. Sorry means dismal and sad. Okay. So we have done 32 words meanings of this chapter. So these words meanings of your homework, note down in your notebook and send me on WhatsApp with your name. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.